Good morning and welcome to Hendrika 2. Our school also has a generator apart from the solar panels that we have on the wall. Here is Kira Castle for the preschoolers. Here we have our admin building where all the administration takes place. The staff room is also here on the top floor. Principal's office, vice principal's office, deputy's office, all finance admin, it's all happening in here. This is a glimpse from behind the admin office and the back side of the castle and the A block. One of the play areas we have. As you can see, we have security in most places. This is the girls' bathroom in the A block. We pride ourselves in our clean facilities. We have Bidvest who cleans the school, the corridors, the classrooms, the bathrooms throughout the day, and they are doing a marvelous job. We are so happy to have them. Safety is very important at the school. Our fire extinguishers are serviced every year, and we make sure that all the safety precautions are taken. Our kids are invaluable to us. So this is the block where the foundation phase is. This is the play area in between. And here we have my block where the intermediate interscene phase is. Here we have our the shed, the work area where Louw and Agri and Ben and Andres and Trust, they're all very busy every day making sure that our school is spotless and everything is working in top-tip shape, and we are very grateful for their hard work. They work until late every day. Here are our sports fields. Today there's a cricket match taking place here. There we have a water station so that children who are practicing have a tap nearby for water. Here is part of the parking lots for the teachers of the interscene phase. Here is another angle of my block, the interscene block. Over here we have Katupi, our cafeteria, and this is an unusual sight because usually this is alive with hustle and bustle. But as today is Sunday, it's as quiet as you can hope to find it. Here we have another angle of our hall. Here you can see the solar panels, and all our buildings are air conditioned, which makes it so much easier during our hot summers. Across there's the A block for the foundation phase. Next to it is the B block, and then lastly here we have block C, our high schoolers. This is my classroom. On my classroom door, it's because I'm a subject head for sciences. I've decorated my door in such a way that they can see it's all about science. On here we have our guardian learners list so that the learners can know which kids are my guardians. The grade 7s are already preparing for the entrepreneurs day that's happening next Friday. Okay, this is my classroom. I have some posters up on my wall. I arranged my desks in such a way that it's easy to rearrange them for group work, but it also facilitates the test series that we have. Here is also decorated in such a fashion. Classroom rules and some motivational posters up there. This is to help them, to show them how to write a folio paper when they have to do exams. Here is the intercom system. Here is my desk. I make myself very comfortable here. So my stationery, my drawers with everything that I need. Most of my stationery I get from the school. Here is my visualizer, that's my trusty visualizer, and my class keys. Over here in the back of the classroom, we keep the books. If the learners don't have homework, they keep the books here in the back, so that they don't have to carry the books unnecessarily. Also in here in the cupboard are all the printouts that the learners must still receive and paste into their books, as well as extras if they lose theirs, so that they can just get again and put it in there. There is some textbooks and other printable resources. Other resources here as well. There is our birthday sheets. So in this week we had Yoli, who had her birthday yesterday, and Owami's birthday is on the 30th. This board is dedicated for the grade 7s, my registered classes, by the grade 7 E1s. This here is my storeroom, and I need all the space I can get, because I have a lot of natural sciences goodies and math resources, and stuff to prepare for the birthdays that's happening. So yeah, here is some measuring beakers, measuring cylinders. Here is some other science equipment that we have, like a measuring beakers again. That's still an Allenmeyer flasks. Here is some more resources than I often use, and more natural sciences things that I use. And the cups also come in handy for the math. Some more books to have at close at hand, visualizers. And here in these boxes, the boxes are labeled, are some chemicals and other science equipment that I keep handy.